Today I have a review of a product for the DJI Spark extended landing leg, so it raises higher off the ground if you have to land in dirt, grass, sand, and you don't have one of those nice landing pads. It's by a company called AQGOODLIFE. Maybe you may have to pronounce that AG somewhere in there, but this is the box. I ordered it from Amazon. I will include the link at the bottom of this video, so if you would like to order it, it was less than $10. I'll get the exact price in the show notes below, but very affordable. Probably a 3D printed product, but it has a little picture of the Spark there, and the name of the company. Says here, landing stabilizers for the Spark, fast installation. So here's what you get in the box. It comes with 4 legs, well padded. Very nice packing here. All right, so they're labeled A and B's. You got, of course, 2 A's, 2 B's. So I guess the Spark is labeled A and B someplace. Not that I see it, but it's not very hard to figure out how to get these things on. You just this is probably one for the back here. Sorry, I didn't prepare a little bit better, but you just put it over the bottom of the motor, and you press it counterclockwise, and now you're locked in. Let's see, this is a B. Okay, so B, A. Let's see, so this would probably be the other A would go up here. All right, you sort of hear them clip in. And the final B here. All right, so they're all on securely. So you can see this raises it up quite nice. I'll pull the little gimbal guard off here, which I also got on Amazon. It pulls it up enough off the ground that it's going to be a little more free of grass, dirt, sand, watery conditions. So again, it's quick to put on, throw it in your bag. I used to have another set that they were like bars that came down here and formed like a thing like this along here. But from the beginning, when I tried to clip them onto legs, it always felt like it wasn't very well made, and they broke after very little use. Where these feel much more secure, much less prone to breaking. Now, again, I've only used these in the field maybe once or twice so far, so there's no endurance test yet here. But I would just say that they feel more secure than the previous set of landing gear that I had for the Spark. So again, hope you enjoyed this little mini review here, and if you would like to purchase these for your Spark, check the link down below. Amazon, it was Amazon Prime. So if you have Prime, it's free 2-day shipping. So any questions about the product or anything about Spark or quads in general, just hit me with a comment down below. Thank you.